Say to yourself in your mind or out loud, join me now, repeat after me. I now surround myself in divine protective light. Perfect. Let's begin our journey. And I want you to just imagine with the mirror of your mind that you're walking down this beautiful earthen road, and in the distance you see a massive oak tree. And above that oak tree you see a gorgeous double rainbow up in the sky, far, far up in the sky. And soon you have come upon this beautiful, majestic, mighty oak tree. It's thick with leaves and thick with acorns. And I want you to concentrate on the tree. Move your spiritual awareness into that tree. Feel yourself growing roots deep into the earth, connecting to Mother Earth, beautiful Gaia, just as this tree is. And experience how good that feels, that healing strength that comes with the roots and the trunk, the body of the tree. And now imagine your mind is like all of the branches. And I want you to lift up each branch into the beautiful light of that first rainbow that hovers not so far away, but just above that mighty oak tree. And as we raise our branches to that beautiful rainbow, we are raising our consciousness, moving to a state of higher consciousness, that spiritual higher mind. Really enjoy that glow of the multicolored light that is all around you in this rainbow. All of the frequencies, all of the refracted lights. Just bathe your body, mind, your soul in that light. And I want you to allow that light to penetrate into your mind. Allow it to merge or to flow naturally into you. All of your body, down into your fingers, your toes, into every part of your body. Deeply, fully. And now let it begin to move, to flow like a fountain of water out of your crown chakra, down and out into the auric field. And I want you to just stay with this lovely light feeling, this prismatic light. It's scintillating, it's magnetic, it's crisp, it's bubbling. This light is incredible, effervescent. I love that word. Just like little champagne bubbles. You just can feel the resonance of that auric light. Now let's do this. Let's take our mind higher, because now we're going to move ourselves to cosmic mind, to connect with universal consciousness, source of inspiration, intuition, in divine moments. And so allow the mind to stretch further. Reach upward with the branches of the tree that you are, up into that beautiful second glorious rainbow, even higher in the sky, far up in the atmosphere. And you are now connecting with universal source consciousness. That's right. You are merged in the mind of God, the source of all wisdom, the home of the angels. And I want you guys to just enjoy this higher contact. I want you to stay with it, absorb it, allow it to flow into you. And I want you to visualize your spiritual body expanding, glowing brightly into the purest white divine light of which we are all made by divine Creator. When we do this, I want you to allow yourself to realize just how much you are loved. You are love, but you are loved by God, by this universe. And this is the light of truth. And I want you to rest a while here. I'm going to just allow you to float in this space of beauty and peace for a little bit of time. I'll be back. And I want you to ask now, whatever for whatever guidance, whatever help you need in your life right now, whatever might elevate your soul, bring healing to your spirit, to really just restore and take your mind away from worry and fear or concern. What could bring answers to you? Just remain in this light, but ask the light for your guidance. And trust whatever comes. Don't judge it. Don't second guess it. You weren't thinking it prior to this because it was brought to you by Spirit, by divine universal consciousness. Just trust what you receive. And I just want to encourage us to stay connected in this moment to all of this, what we have just created. I want you to reconnect with this every single day, just at least once a day. Promise me you'll do that. And when you decide to open your eyes in just a moment, I want you to remember, stand in gratitude, give thanks to the light, that living light of truth. Know that benefits shower upon you every day, not only during this meditation, but in the light that will continue to pour into your light, into your mind, into your life, into the blessings, the doors of opportunity, the synchronicity, the signs from Spirit. That is the benefits of God, the blessings of God. That is your alignment with the universe, with your higher truth. It shows you're on the right track, and you are always welcome here in this vibration, in this light. So whenever you feel you need to find your way back to this divine source, realize that you are returning back home to that state of love. And I want us to now just begin to return to this time, this space in these body temples. And we reconnect the mind and the body in this beautiful space, in this beautiful way. And we bless ourselves. And we thank you, Spirit, for the words, the wisdom, the light, the healing, just your love. I'm in love with you, Spirit. We should be thinking that every day. I'm in love with you, Spirit. And that's how a life is a life that's lived, a very blessed life, full of opportunities, amazing synchronicities and signs, a life of blessed living. That's my life, y'all. Begin to come back, move your fingers and your toes, open those beautiful eyes, and welcome back. Welcome back, friends.